Shubor naka-Snem jong unongsan Hima.
Da kabayadon bentalang hagajing Rakhe kasngi jong gikanthai hakaperthai ka District Social Welfare Officer West Janta Hills ringkat kajing trerang ka District Sankal Hub for Empowerment of Women West Janta Hills kila Rakhe kasngi jong gikanthai kabatip kum ke International Women's Day. Ya kajing lang kerpang lepenong hapo District Library Auditorium Mentong Jowai haga hanyu tarik uluber halor kapang for all women and girls rights equality empowerment. Ladonang Additional Superintendent of Police U Ishan Gupta, kakong DV Lingdo MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner West Janta Hills District, Kariu Shimpang, kakong I Wajri Assistant Director Good Governance Cell, Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute Shillong, Meghalaya, Nalor Kiwe. Hagan igasngi la rakheru e Jingdap Snem jong jing thumu jong beti bachao beti padhao kabapen pau e jing persyang kabashisnam bankan tiu bat penkup bor yaki khana kan thei lingba gajing pule bat gajing ringkat shinrang bat kan thei hadien gajing alang la shimru e gajing kular kabakular berelam dakakong elso Center Manager kam Protection Officer One Stop Center bat signature campaign halor gajing dap shiposnam ka beti bachao beti padhao.
A citizen of India, hereby take a solemnly resolve to spread the message of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao among the fellow women and men of our country.
Tokong sedih aja.
She'll leave home after my father leaves for work, and she'll return before he returns. She made sure of that for 2 years. It took that much time for him to gain trust, to gain confidence. Delhi, of course, a lot of you might have heard, has not been very safe for women. It's called the crime capital of India for many reasons. And then, so that being the context, I entered the Indian Police Service and got Meghalaya card. We all read about matrilineal society, the only matrilineal society which is flourishing in the entire world, that is Meghalaya. But it was so fresh to come here to see women who are actually empowered. It feels a bit insecure, honestly, to see women are more empowered in many senses than men. I won't say it's a perfect system, or I won't say that women are completely safe, completely doing what they should be, or they have all the freedoms. That is not true. There's a lot to be done, but that shift has been an eye-opener for me, for my family, for my friends who come from North India, from the other parts of India. It's a beautiful setup here. Of course, Jowai is a microcosm of what we see in Meghalaya. The district administration leading West Janta Hills has women at the very top of the pedestal. 3 out of 4 of our additional DC are madams. The additional SP working beside me, she is also female, and it's a great learning from her. DSO madam here, and of course men. There are DMHO, there are many officers. Important offices being held by women, not just in the administration. Then there are business ladies, there are people doing good in the media industry. Our own DGP madam, the Director General of Police, Meghalaya, is a woman, a local from Meghalaya, and it's a proud moment for all of us. So these things, honestly, these things do not happen in what many call mainland India. Meghalaya, we feel, is so much ahead in terms of women empowerment. than the rest of India. Now that we have gotten an opportunity to serve here, we'd like to request all of you to help fasten this pace of progress, of glory, to our women, to our ladies, to our friends, to our sisters. Meghalaya Police, since I come from police department, the police itself has made number of initiatives for contributing in their own way. The strength of women in the police has been rising steadily over the years. We have a police commando battalion in Meghalaya called Make Shakti, and they are a force to reckon with, I must tell you. There are special women police stations created in all districts. There are officers who have been dedicated to look at cases of crime against women, crime against children. Of course, there's a lot needs to be done. We have to reach a point where such crimes stop happening or they are investigated expeditiously. But having said that, it's just wonderful to work here, to the kind of energy we feel whenever we go to work every day, every single day, and to see hundreds of ladies on the move, on the ground, going to their work, some are already on work. There are many initiatives from the district administration, from the central government rather, which are being implemented in letter and spirit. Bbbp, Bbbp is the mission which was launched by Honorable Prime Minister a few years ago. And it has really
Bun kini ki jinga rap ka sarkar ka ai bun ki jinga danam ta ki kan thai nam ta ki na ame bibet pa na jaja ka chongi bun ni jing sha khombor mo ki kan thai ki na kadang ni mana kasi pi puli ko bor pi de mana kasi ne ke ni ti ko ong no kila don ni there are instruments from the government side, there are instruments from the community side to help, address this menace. Now the theme is to accelerate the action of, pushing forward these policies, these schemes to reach the grassroots functionaries. Kabukun mentahan step iba kadang-kadang the policy leader the substance abuse policy mo ang titiwati ubang the end state policy that we also have a lot of other policies in place. The man the every and kanun the mentale kay ubapide banle PP don't have a one-stop center. One-stop center. The district social welfare officer no. The DHW district hub for empowerment of women. The key agencies. What are these agencies? They are here to help you, the community, the grassroots functionaries, to address the problems. Teaching Bbbp. Mandacha Tombor Semle, Mandacha Shotlock, Mandacha Pukatsi Outlockman, little Pukatsi, Mandaklam Kiri Womso Miat, you open Jerem, you open South Sea, Coming there, monthly domestic violence. Well, that falls under the purview of Domestic Violence Act. The Minister, DSWO, she is the one who is the protection officer. Manda protection officer, Manda MPP. Nampaming large police station that we file FIR. And the third way for DIR, Domestic Incidents Report. Only come there should have a office from DSWO. Manda anybody with the America one-stop center, no? There, the center manager is the protection officer, no? Yes. So this is the center manager. So, they will money center manager. They will check the area responsibility of money company protection officer. Manda chat humbor and has seven more. They will like to check it. Then more we can take the Dadon Jia then Sandra Amalia police station, then the police station took along a no smoke, Kataka just smoking. They pay for smoking time. Tamba, Sorkar, UE, Takadao, the Binshet, rule, no, the responsibility to Jingdap, high center manager, and the protection officer. They get out file dekat FIR, file dekat domestic incidents report. Katakan domestic incidents report ni, cuma ada pimpinan kita berpintok tentang pimpinan educated, pimpinan banan kuliah, pimpinan melayu, idon ibai lawyer. Is that paralegal? Idon ibai lawyer, iban syam itu, iban pentulis, ibi hadap dia, berpi sotok berpi. Alright, sentence per sentence itu. Dan nak kuliah dia akan sujubah. Sesuatu ni pelan bersongkeng. Lalu dia syak dia kemudian tempat syak dia kemudian entah. Lalu dia memang konsen dia ada thumb impression. Mo, tangga dekat jinsuan syak yang pilih dia. Dia insaf kuliah dan pilih orang dia dia. Dan insaf file ini kata domestic incidents report. Kadang ke counseling as well. Kadang ke counseling ada kadang badan lah punya bahaya. Mo, the coming to this. Dengan kita suatu dia. Nomor bang yo cerita pasal siapa syariah dia jadi. Kini kaji syak kumpul kita boleh, terjun ni. Emi, syak syak cek dalam lo. Baik buat mah. Ini juga congkat nak buat no. Demikian maka yang sampai dari judge syak buat. Mo, kabeli buat physical violence ni. Kayak ini. Dan ini dari kata judge syak buat. Abang pendang kamu dekat buat mana? Abang buat bah. Tap epi, show epi, niat epi, panjang epi, dat epi. Alright? Kata dia physical violence. Ya? Asal tu kabel pendam kamu dekat bawah mana? Kabel jadi kita bagi part emotional violence, ni verbal violence. Kayak kita, ni pendam kamu dekat dia, mau dia dekat dia cumi, bagi kita dia berjabok. Dia kebaso met motor met ni kebapen mom dia ka jemput khat jampi kebapen sosi dia kebakan dia ka perkhat perdan jampi batum si patla bumi intai mahala benda khat ikit bumi intai kibam sutna mo kata ni khat emotional lagi verbal violence kata bapak kabalan ni om dia ka bakadeka sexual violence. Sexual violence. Kami dan lamba anda inside. Demikian sexual violence kadang-kadang kadang syak kumpul haba kadang-kadang kahap bandle ini badan kami kadang day umsi lomo. Kadang kadang jingdap jongkak. Kabumut kuno tangga dah kelihatan orang kadang lompa jongki ikuat bandle pila dah pisau pang pihak. Hap ini ada kayak itu nona. Kata empowerment kesedaran ini empowerment starts from home. So if you don't have a say, it's pilihan kata board pilihan power. So ini minta kasih masuk hari, lain ini minta kasih masuk po, ini masuk pangkat kami ini sulah ini mah. Hilur na kita. Ani, dari bawa kita ini orang ada nak cuci mo. Asal presnya, kan? Exactly. Balik di contraception, balik di buat kene maternal mortality rate kiyo bahas. Contraception, undan balik. Lada pendon kamu kentri kondom, kamu buat ada yang dekat lagi. Dengar. Upian penyadar. Kampun nama Snem balik mereka. Ubli ni juga begini. Ubli tu ada jenang kita jen soto jompi. Dengar. Uai ni kata. Hendak ada kikun jompi ni hakan soto bahawa. Lada mani untuk kini pa mindan jenang pangkat jenang. Umno baninya ni pemput kikun. Kalau kapok kasang jongi, ada dihia mati rasha kita tu kita tiap. Nomor kita kembali kepisah bala besar ini. Ni tak kapan sekolah kebadan, kabang kadi kebadan, kapor ka. Kada kibun kibun, pila balik kita. Kada siya ikala nonggi ikala balik itu balik pinah kembali lagi. Kata ada jadi. They are making the contraception. Dan ini kata hai kini. Kata itu pun badan dia aibun. Kata hantar badan ini kena juni. Ini bapak tak khasnya kata dikentai. Yesus no kata ini nama beli pun ibadah ha. Ila beli pun ibadah kajian. Ila beli pun ibadah kaya. Nama dia diri empat nol kita baca. Empat gambar deh. Disebut
Mo kirang ba bala idon kun kiba let's say himen ki para kiba don himen kiba don para la de idon kun mo kanang kiba don ki kun ki himen ki para then they ni so ban on ba ni don kam ban ten scam ya kata kan jung long ren ni ni ko way ka ban na ban mo ban ai boy yang ni kadai education. Kajingan jin start ni dan kamha. Kajingan jin start ka badun kong ek bang dan kam bang ai ya ki kon ki jomi. Nang ba kina akan yen hakata ka nongrim ka joki kin klan ni dan yang kata ka nongrim ka joki. Kin yo jin shine kin yo jin kit. Dekat bana ngin dei ban nongrim. Ni dei ban slowly Bakin pulih, tin putih, tin dan itu jen pulih joki. Nama lingba ke education, kependiari ke jemut ke jen pekat ke jeni. Mau kepen scam ya katakan jeni, ya kejengnya ke jenglong dan yang jenglong ke ke jeni. Dia kaibon ke jeni, nila dan yang ban keren, ban yakana, ban yakaya, ladan idon ke jen start, ladan idon ke jen ke. Dia kata nak kini school drop out ni kan tentu. Hayeng hasam tu ni sedang nak hayeng hasam tu ni. Bagaimana anak di kon ni bakin drop out na po ke school. Nama kata orang di school drop out. Dia kita tiba mau katakan jika education dulu kanan hiar katakan literacy rate dulu kanan hiar. Tengok kuat ni kuat dah di kon joni. Baru hebat kan kaya bercakap, cuma kami ni dan kami bagian hal jom kerja. Tapi education penong keway kebal dan kami nama tajuk. Kata kejenjikai kebanyakan dengan ai, nak sedang untuk yang penting tiba ni dan kami ya kan education dan kami menang dan start tip berkulit bagian hal jom kerja. Abangila yang hal jom kerja belum confident. Kung kerja kerja kita, milong confident nama boleh, midon kerja dengan insta, midon rekam, midon kejam, ni bukan halo. Dia katakan kita scam kalau ni, mo kita scam dia domination, dibon ni kita kita don kam, jinjikai yang sem, nabon kilian, dia dibon ni kita kita nakalian jangan buat kata syok away ini shim bentah kata ke education ban penkiu dia kan literacy rate jom nang bagi kon kan thai jom long kiba nang kiba start kiba don kata ka mau kata ka mon kiba scam belum confidence akan jom MPD dia hangat dengan so tang kata syoi bon ke jinjikai le se bon ke bagi dei ban tip bagi day banyo dia mereka sedang nak Malaysia. Mo dia nak try tangkat itahi kalian dan berikut lo itu jengkeran jangan ma Indonesia iso